Okay, welcome to another video. This is hard questions for simplifying expressions and coming up with equivalent forms. Let's look at the questions. I have 2x minus 3y, 4x plus 5y, x minus 2y, and 3x plus 4y. So I get 8x squared plus 5xy minus 12xy minus 15y squared. 3x squared plus 4xy minus 6xy minus 8y squared. 8x squared minus 7xy minus 15y squared minus 3x squared plus 2xy plus 8y squared. Okay, so I get 5x squared minus 5xy minus 7y squared. I may have messed something up. Let's check. So I get 2x into 5x, that's 10xy, I think. That's minus 2xy plus 2xy. Okay, there seems to be something wrong with the expression. Let's check again. 2x into 4x gives me 8x squared, 2x into 10xy, minus 3 minus 12xy, so that gives me a minus 2xy net, and minus 15y squared. Then this gives me 3x plus 4xy minus 6xy. So that's minus 2xy from there. Okay, so that's canceling out then. Okay, so 5x squared minus 7y squared. Okay, that should be the correct answer option. Okay, question number 2, it says rewrite the following algebraic expression using the distributive property. You just have to sort of multiply it and get the final answer. So 6xy minus 8x minus 10y plus 15x. Okay, so 6xy plus 7x minus 10y. Okay, moving on to the next question, then I have just a simple addition subtraction, so minus 2x squared. I have no other xy. I have minus y plus 7. I think that, yep. Did I miss something? Okay, minus y minus 5x as well. Okay, I missed minus 5x. Moving on to the next hard question, expanding this 5x plus 10 plus 3x minus 12 minus 8 plus 2x. So 5, 3 and 2 gives me 10x, 10 and minus 20. So minus 10. Okay, moving on to the next one, I can factor out the 3 first. I get x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. What's common in the first two? It's x squared that's common, so I'm left with x minus 2. Then there can be a 3 common. If you take a 3 common, then this you're left with minus 4 over 3 here. Okay, so that should work. Okay, more hard questions. 3x squared minus x squared minus 7x plus 5x plus 4 plus 6 plus 10. Okay, moving on to the next question. 2x squared minus 6x plus 5x minus 15 minus 3x squared. 2x squared minus x minus 15 minus 3x squared. Minus x squared minus x minus 15. Okay, 3x squared minus 5x plus 2. This is with factorization. I could do this. So I'm going to get x common 3x minus 2 and minus 1 common 3x minus 2. So that's x minus 1 into 3x minus 2. Answer option D sounds right. Okay, question number 4. Okay, that looks more complicated. Okay, I'll have to do the numerator first. Take a common denominator in the numerator. And then I'm going to divide by x squared minus 4. So this becomes x minus 2 plus x plus 2. I've taken a common denominator. Okay, so I have 2x over x squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 over x squared minus 4. Okay, so that looks like this might be the right answer, option D. Let's look at the next one. The denominator can be factorized. It becomes x minus 1 into x plus 1. And the numerator sort of breaks down. If you break the middle term, I see a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I'm just going to do a quick factorization and say that this cancels out. That's x minus 1 over x plus 1. Okay, let's see if we have more hard questions. I think there's going to be a repeat because I got one question wrong at the in the first set of 5 questions. Yes, this was the one that we got wrong. Minus 2x squared minus 5x. Yep, that was the correct one. Then this one actually broke down to, now I don't remember, so I'm going to just do this mentally quickly. I get 8x squared minus 3x squared. That's 5x squared. Okay, that was the correct answer. I also don't remember this one. 6xy minus 8x minus 10y minus 15x plus 15x. So I think that should be the correct answer. This one I remember. You could do these again if you want. Okay, that brings us to the end of this topic. I will see you with another video in the next session. Thank you for watching.